everybody, today we're going to open up a Shopkins Season 1 Vending Machine, a Season 2 5-pack, and a Season 2 12-pack. So let's open this up and see what we have. So first we're going to open up the vending machine, and I have my scissors here to help me open this up. Sometimes the plastic's really hard to open up sometimes. So you have to use scissors. So here's a closer without the plastic. Now let's take this off. And it's really easy. So there's the plastic, and you can just like take it off, and that's it. Easy. It looks like a little chair. And here's the back. And it's a few Shopkins, and the sides have more Shopkins. Now, you have to open this up. Comes with the cardboard. First, this one is Cheeky Chocolate, and this one is a rare. On the list it says these are just different colors of the same exact Shopkins. That's just a tin over here on the side. So put this one over here. And the other Shopkin that this one came with is named Fred's L, and this one's a rare. And then when you're done, you can take out these cardboard pieces. They're just cardboard Shopkins. And then you can just store the Shopkins in there. And this has your own vending machine. But first we have to open up the 5-pack so we can actually put some Shopkins in there. Oh wait, I dropped the camera. Sorry. I just dropped the camera right now. So the first one is, I don't know this one's name. I forgot this one's name. So tell me in the comments down below. But this one's gum. Oh, pretzel looked like it was gonna fall. Next up is, let me get it out. Is Boo Hoo Onion, and this one's the calm. Put that one right there. Next up, sometimes the ones in the shoe section are kind of hard to get out. This one is Bun Bun Slipper, and this one's a common. This one's down here, and this one is Cupcake Chic, which this one's a rare. Now we're going to look at the mystery one between this one. Let's see who the mystery one is. Ooh, this one looks really cool. This one is Pita Plunger, and this one's an ultra rare. Now let's open up the 12-pack. Which is our final thing for this video. This one is, I forgot this one's name, so tell me in the comments down below. You can actually see the Shopkins when I'm putting them down. This one is waffle soup. This one's a rare. Next up is Wendy. What? I don't know this one's name, but I know it has Wendy something. So let's put this one down. And the next one we have is, this one's hard to pop out. This one is Chocolava, and this one's a common. Next one is a new Shopkin, and this one is Mock Kettle, and this one's a common. This one is Poppy Corn, and this one is also a common. Next one is Boo Hoo Onion, and this one's a common. Next one is Corny Cod, and this one's a rare. Next one is Toffee Coffee, and this one is a rare. And the last one before we open up our mystery ones is this one. And I think this is baby food. I don't know this one's name, so tell me in the comments down below. And it's really soft. It feels really fuzzy. Put this one down. Now we're going to open up the mystery one. Ooh, this one is Pita Plunger. And this one's an ultra rare. This is the other color of Pita Plunger. It's the purple version, and we got the pink version. Now, for our last one, and let's see. This one kind of feels like a block. I don't know what this one could be. Oh, it's a fluffy baby. Oh, this is so cute. This one is a diaper. I have no idea what this one name is, so tell me in the comments down below. This is so soft. The fluffy baby ones. Now, we're gonna do something before we end the video. We're gonna put our Shopkins in the vending machine. So let me just put our Shopkins in the vending machine. We're gonna put Pita Plunger and also Season 2 Shopkins. We have a lot of Shopkins to open up. So that's everything. So bye everybody. See you next time.